was sitting, rolling her spliff, feeling chilled, everything was bliss. The night was quiet, no worries at all, but in swooped trouble, feathers and all. He farted so hard, her cheeks blew wide, her hair flew round with nowhere to hide. Dropped a fat poop right in her hair, so Sandra stood up, ready to swear. Oh, that seagull's a demon, dirty and rude, farting on Sandra and killing the mood. She grabbed her broom, ready for a chase, but the seagull just laughed and flew in her face. Sandra lit up, trying to stay cool, but that seagull was a filthy old fool. He swooped back in, grabbed her joint real quick, taking a puff like a proper slick trick. He blew the smoke right into her face, while Sandra stood there, losing her grace. She swung her broom, but missed every time. That bird kept puffing like it was a crime. Oh, that seagull's a devil, dirty and sly, stealing her joint while getting high. He puffed it down, feeling so bold, while Sandra was fuming, ready to explode. The worst was coming, Sandra could tell. The seagull was here to raise pure hell. With a flash and a dive, he wasn't done. The dirty tricks had just begun. Down low, wings spread wide, and out came a seagull, cock full of pride. He flapped it about, not a care in sight, and smacked her on the nose with all his might. Sandra screamed, "You filthy fucking dock schmuck!" But that bird just cackled, not giving a fuck. He slapped her once, then slapped her twice. That seagull cock wasn't playing nice. Oh, that seagull's a devil, dirty and mean, slapping Sandra's face, what a nasty scene. He stole her joint and flashed his bits, leaving her screaming, throwing fits. So if you're rolling and thinking you're safe, keep an eye out, don't make that mistake.